Hello everyone, welcome to, this is Carlsbad Beach, and it is crowded. Why? Because it's really hot. So it got me thinking, if I were going to do a marketing stunt at the beach, what would I do? Well, I think one thing that could really spook things up a little bit, given that it's 2020 and almost anything that can happen is happening, fires, tornadoes, hurricanes, double hurricanes, COVID. What I would do, and it would take a brave brand to do this, would be to put 4 or 5 giant, let's just say Godzilla-sized footprints on the beach in the morning. And you can imagine, I'd make it look really real. And you can imagine what that would do to people in the area. Because everyone's asking, what's next? What's next? Well, what's next is Godzilla emerging from the ocean and landing on this beach to attack, the population here. And then, of course, I'd find a way to brand those footsteps or do a big reveal somewhere else on the beach. I think that would get press attention, would get you attention, and it'd be something that would be unforgettable.